Komal, I'm going to allow you to come on the audio. This is the order in which, if you're Komal, are you okay to come on audio? Yes, I will allowed you to speak. You can unmute yourself. So what is it that you're passionate about, Komal? We can't hear you. Okay, let me try again. Yeah, now you're good. Yeah, you're good to go now. Sorry. Okay.
Good evening, Vandanaji. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am always on top of the world, rocking.
Great.
Thank you for asking. Okay. So, yeah. So now what are you passionate about, Komal?
See, actually, when I started this business, I was passionate to earn money. But when on daily life, I meet so many people. Now, I actually want to give them solutions. I am passionate कि whatever problem they have, when I can make some difference in their life, it makes me happy and satisfied.
So you want to help people by giving them right solutions.
Right solutions,
Now
actually.
this is too broad, right? Everybody, a doctor is also giving a solution. Everybody is giving a solution, right?
Right.
So now you want to help people by giving solution in which area?
See, first of all, I'm a and wellness consultant also. So I guide them in that area also. But frankly speaking, if I talk about, so I'm into network marketing and I have my own uh, personal experiences, real experiences, because I have worked in the field. So according to my experiences, I can guide them on real terms. Ki
No,
what
no. No, that is not the see among the list of courses. Whatever you submitted to me is network marketing.
yeah.
Acha, one more. Do you want a sugar coated cyanide or you want a direct cyanide from me? Like,
Direct, direct, direct.
really, I'm asking you because for me, my comments come across at times, very straightforward. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
so some it hurts some people. So that is why I'm saying it's not about that. It's about your growth, right?
yeah.
So just let me know. You want me to put it nicely and tell you, or can I be very direct with you?
You can be very direct.
All right. Thank you so much. Okay. So network marketing is the topic you have chosen,
Yeah,
right? So we
yeah.
can say you want to help people with solutions in the network marketing space,
You're right,
right? So we have made it more specific now,
right, right.
right? That's how you फाइन ट्यून. देखो पुराने जमाने में रेडियो हुआ करता था, करेक्ट? अगर
Hmm.
वो रेडियो को हम वो 93 98.3 जो भी चैनल है, ओके, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, राइट? जब तक उसको फाइंड वो एनालॉग गोल गोल घुमा के फाइन ट्यून, जब तक हम उसको फाइन ट्यून नहीं करते तब तक खड़ 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 आवाज आती है. द मोमेंट यू फाइन ट्यून इट, म्यूजिक आता है.
Right.
So that is what we are trying to do here also. Fine tuning the work. Music आने के लिए, नहीं तो वो खड़ 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 खड़, the impact is not coming, right? So now you are saying you are want to help people with solutions in the network marketing space. Now, what is the problem for which you have a solution in the network marketing space? What exactly you are helping with sales, or helping with customer service, or helping with choosing right products, or what is it, right? So you have to go into the depth of this. So what is it that you're trying to do?
See, Vandana ji, actually the pains I have written there are the actual pains in network marketing people feel and people are having. Actually, these are the pains because मैं 10 साल से ज़्यादा हूँ इस industry में. So these are the actual pains. Now,
समझ
second
में
thing,
ये
right,
सेल्स का पेन है. देखो, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में suppose let me take an example. Suppose
hmm,
I have been doing network marketing. I'm just taking a random step, okay? I have not done this, I'm just making up.
हाँ,
Suppose I like this network MLM fundas, and I have taken up Tupperware, I have taken up Oriflame, I have taken up Herbalife, I have taken up Forever products, or
hmm,
whatever, all different whatever MLM products are there, right?
right,
And
right,
I'm still not able to, so many products I have taken, I'm not able to still make what is promised or what is shown. So
hmm,
I'm struggling to choose a right product if I want to be in network marketing. That
Right.
can now. I am already a network marketer, and I am not generate enough sales.
Hmm. सी मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, सेल्स करनी ही नहीं पड़ती। अगर कोई ये सोचता है कि उसको सेल करना है, तो ये वो बहुत कठिन हो जाएगा उसके लिए बिजनेस करना। एम आई ऑडिबल वंदना जी? कैन
Yeah,
कैन
yeah.
यू?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
अगर सी फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी मैं आई विल टॉक अबाउट आई एम हैविंग अ कस्टमर इन नोएडा, आई एम इन कानपुर, राइट? So that customer, she was trying. I will not take the name of my company because मैं अपनी company नहीं promote कर रही हूँ यहाँ पर। तो that lady, she was having problem on her skin since say 20 years, मतलब जब से उसकी शादी हुई, उसके कभी स्किन पे वो गड्ढे ही नहीं भर रहे थे। तो आई कुड हेल्प हर कि आपको मैं एक्चुअल मतलब मैं कैसे विश्वास करूं कि मेरे को वो चीज सही है। तो द ओनली थिंग मुझे विश्वास करना है, तो आई कैन यूज द प्रोडक्ट एंड माई एक्सपीरियंस इज माई एक्सपीरियंस। व्हाट आई कैन डू, आई कैन टेल हर कि अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आता तो इतने दिन में यू टेक द रिफंड एंड यू जस्ट यूज एंड देन यू हैव योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस। एंड वंस द पर्सन हैज यूज्ड, ना वो मेरी एक मंथ की 1 लाख रुपए से ऊपर की कस्टमर है एवरी मंथ सिंस 4-5 months, एंड शी इज सेंडिंग हर फोटोज, और वो बोलती है कि लोग मुझे रोक के पूछते हैं। नाउ दिस प्रॉब्लम वाज विद मी आल्सो। ना कभी भी सेल नहीं करनी पड़ती। आपका उस बंदे का हॉट बटन क्या है, उसकी परेशानी क्या है, आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप, एक बंदा आए तो द थिंग इज कि जो लोग बोलते हैं सेल कर रहा है, सेल नहीं करना है, सेल तो करना ही नहीं है। आपको उसको राइट सोल्यूशन देना है। और अगर उस, हाँ राइट, एम आई ऑडिबल? और इन केस द पर्सन इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि एनसी की कस्टमर अगर मुझे कोई जेन्युइन कंप्लेन कर रहा है तो मैं सुनूं नहीं कि नहीं मैं ही सही हूँ, मैं ही सही हूँ, मैं ही सही हूँ। नो, दैट विल बी रॉन्ग।
Can I
उसका,
interrupt you here? 1 second. See, you actually went into the solution now.
या,
We are discussing what is the problem you are solving, right? अभी आप वो जो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं मुझसे, ये आप अपने कोर्स में या वीडियोस में बना सकते हैं ये कंटेंट।
या आई विल बी शॉर्ट एंड सी व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, कि मैं लोगों को ये बताने की कोशिश करती हूँ कि जो उनके लिए बहुत कठिन हो जाती है नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, क्योंकि वो लोगों के पीछे पड़ जाते हैं। अगर एक्चुअली उनको सोल्यूशन मिल जाए, किसी उसका सोल्यूशन है, मान लो उसको पैसे का प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैं उसको हेल्प कर सकती हूँ कि कैसे द पर्सन कैन गो। उसको स्किन का, उसको एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम क्या है, हमें सेल करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। मुझे
No,
सेल करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, सेल अपने आप बढ़ेगा।
no, actually the context need. Okay, so I understand what you are saying. Okay, but we are looking at how will you present. So you are helping basically. I understand you say sale नहीं करना है, लेकिन
करना ही
basically people who are struggling with sales and network marketing products is your offering, correct?
राइट।
Because the solution you are saying is that you don't have to sell, right?
या,
That is a solution. We're not
right.
going there. I'm saying that how will you attract people who are struggling? Who is your target audience? Your
Okay.
target audience are people
Okay.
who are struggling to make sales or revenue out of network marketing.
Okay. 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 Right.
So
Right. Right.
if they are not able to make a revenue out of network marketing products, what is it
Right.
they are going through? Their money is,
Actually.
they feel rejected,
Hmm.
they get motivated, they
Hmm.
get they lose money,
Hmm. Right.
they are losing their time,
Right.
right? So I
Right.
mean, these are the what. See, so what are the what is, your target audience are people who are unable to make significant revenue in network marketing products.
Right.
Now, a person who is not able to do that, what that person is going through, he is feeling dejected, he is feeling rejected, he's lost his money, he has a lot of responsibilities and commitments, right? And so many things. So that is the pain.
Right.
That is the pain. That is what you have to write. So what you have written is pain of rejection rockets.
Yeah.
Yes, you just have to make it in a nice way. You have written, I'm just taking from your work only, right?
Right.
So somebody who is struggling, because you have to attract their attention. You
Hmm.
attract their attention by telling them their pain. What is that? What is, so if you say, are you struggling
Hmm.
with your network marketing products? Are you unable to make significant revenue with your network marketing products? Do
Hmm.
you feel every time you are rejected, you feel the pain? Do you feel the pain of rejection every single time a customer says no to you?
Very
Something.
true. Very
So
true.
that is the thing that you will have to come up. Okay, so I'm
Right.
moving beyond this now. Okay,
Right.
so
Right.
and based, if you write the pains properly, the gains will come out properly.
Right.
Okay, so that is how you have to structure your offering.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
so that's one thing. All right, I hope you got the necessary input.
Yeah. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, Komal, thank you for submitting your assignment and thank you for allowing me to review publicly.
Oh,
Okay,
thank
so
you. Even I could learn a lot from you, Vandana ji. Thank you.
yeah, so would you also like to share why you joined my, because since you're on the
I,
audio.
I have done that there in reviewed on Facebook also, and actually I'm telling you, I was going on Facebook as we are also learning how to go online digital with my business. So I saw you there, and same like you had given a very good caption there. So reading that and actually speaking your aura of your face. See, some people they look they will cheat, but you have a very clear aura. A clear heart reflects on the aura of a person. That's why I joined actually seeing your aura, and a clear hearted person will be cheat nahi करेंगी.
Thank you. Thank you so much.